All right, with this one, I do not want you to overthink. If you do not have an idea for the name for your course, it's totally fine. But I do want you to take some time and brainstorm some ideas. What could we name this course? And some people just overthink this part. You can go two ways. Number one, you can name your course with something specific. How to improve SEO or SEO mastery course. Clearly it tells you what it is. It's a mastery course and how to improve your SEO. So clearly know what the course is about. The other option is catchy, right? B-School. B-School, what is it about? And then the subtitle for that is, I think it's Marie Forleo's course. It's called B-School, and the title is something, Start a Business You Love, and blah, blah, blah. So you know it's a business course. It's all about how to start and scale your business. So you can either go with a clear route or something catchy. It doesn't really matter yet. We'll work together through stage 1, 2, and 3. And often we decide on the title of the course at the very, very end when we launch the course. So don't get overwhelmed. Don't overthink it. If you have some names, write it down. If you don't have idea where to go, simply skip and we'll decide on that later.